Hello guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Today we will talk about the best motorbike as a starter. Yes, we have dozens of motorcycles out there, some are too hefty and too advanced for a beginner. For many people, learning to ride a motorcycle is a dream come true. But choosing the right motorbike as a beginner can be challenging. So today, I'm going to break down the 5 beginner-friendly motorbikes to own. First up, we have the Honda Rebel 300. This is a great option for those who want a comfortable, easy-to-ride cruiser bike. The Rebel 300 has a low seat height and a lightweight design, which makes it easy to handle. It also has a smooth, responsive engine and comfortable seating position, making it a great option for long rides. It has an engine of 286cc single-cylinder and power of 25 horsepower, with a torque of 17.6 pounds-foot. I'd say if you want to get started with bikes, this is one of the best options. Its price ranges from $4,699 to $6,149. The next beginner-friendly motorbike is the Kawasaki Ninja 400. This sport bike is beginner-friendly due to its manageable power and lightweight design. This bike has nimble handling and smooth power delivery, which makes it easy to control. It also has a sporty look and feel, which appeals to many beginner riders. Kawasaki Ninja 400 is powered by a 399cc engine. This Ninja 400 engine generates a power of 45 PS at 10,000 revolutions per minute and a torque of 37 Nm at 8,000 revolutions per minute. The claimed mileage of the Ninja 400 is 24.18 km. Kawasaki Ninja 400 gets disc brakes in the front and rear. The curb weight of Ninja 400 is 168 kg. Kawasaki Ninja 400 has tubeless tires and alloy wheels. The price is $5,199. Another popular option for beginner riders is the Yamaha YZF-R3. This sport bike is known for its manageable power, agile handling, and comfortable ride. It has a smooth and responsive engine, which makes it easy to ride. The engine type is liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, 4-valve, DOHC engine. It also has a comfortable seating position and a sleek, modern design. It has a max power of 42 PS at 10,750 revolutions per minute, with a max torque of 42 PS at 10,750 revolutions per minute. The price is $5,499. If you're looking for a more versatile motorbike that is good for both beginners and more experienced riders, consider the Suzuki SV650. The SV650 acts as the entry into the 2022 Suzuki motorcycle lineup. However, despite being the base model in a rather extensive portfolio, the SV650 continues to hold its own nearly 2 decades after it first came along. Powering the SV650 is a 645cc, 90-degree V-twin engine that makes 75 horsepower and 47 pounds-to-foot of torque. The 2022 Suzuki SV650 starts at $7,299. Finally, we have the KTM Duke 390. This is a great option for those who want a sporty, lightweight motorcycle that is easy to handle. The Duke 390 has a powerful single-cylinder engine and a lightweight design, which gives it plenty of performance. It also has a sporty look and feel, which appeals to many beginner riders. The KTM 390 Duke is powered by a 373.27cc air-cooled engine which produces 43.5 PS at 9,000 revolutions per minute of power. It has a fuel tank of 13.4 liters and a claimed mileage of 29 kmpl. The KTM 390 Duke starts at ₹2.96 lakars, ex-showroom, Delhi. The price is $5,699. So these are the best in the market. If you want to begin to ride huge fast motorbikes, this is where I suggest you should look at. See you in the next video.